Pandemic. A world of limitations, restrictions, debilitating stress. A time when you need to go back to basic needs. A time when you just think of one thing: safety, survival. Many of those caught in the midst of the pandemic had to resort to drastic measures, especially when it came to food. As long as there was viand and rice, we thought we would be okay. So the simplest ways would be to open a can or call for delivery of fast food. I was able to eat. I'm gonna be okay, you'd think. But as the pandemic dragged on, the feeling that this was not going to be enough slowly creeps in, until overwhelming. Thoughts of good food, proper home-cooked meals dripping with flavor and sustenance flood your thoughts. Somehow you don't feel complete. Then a window opens. You are blessed and find a way home. The feeling of joy and relief fills you. I'm home, you softly whisper to yourself. As you try your first home-cooked meal, a homegrown culinary treasure, of course, you're flooded with memories of the past, memories of days gone by, memories of great food cooked with love and care, slowly prepared the way food should be. Gone are the days of fake food, food filled with preservatives and additives, fast food. Now, you are again complete.